Class 146. Resistive transducer or resistance transducer. In fact, they are actually variable resistance transducers. Means variation in resistance is used for measurement. Shortly, resistive transducer. So definition: it is a transducer whose resistance varies according to the temperature, force, displacement, or anything like that. The change in the resistance is measured by an ammeter or voltmeter, means some AC or DC measuring devices, not by an ohmmeter. An ohmmeter also needs battery inside it. Change in resistance cannot be measured directly. You need some AC or DC measuring devices. Now, it can be used to measure temperature, displacement, vibration, force, etc. Okay, so usually a resistive transducer can work as both primary and secondary transducer. Okay, now example is principle is here. You know R is equal to rho into L by A. So if you change area of cross section or the length, you can get change in resistance. That can be measured using AC or DC measuring instrument. Now you have to vary L or A. That can be varied mechanically or by or physical displacement or by force, or we can also change the by temperature also. Temperature variation is also there. So mechanically, if they are varied, they are called as potentiometer. Thermally, if you vary the resistance, they are, for example, we have resistance thermometers. Resistivity changes. You have strain gauges. Okay. Advantages: it is simple, easy measurement, fast response, all these things. Now, applications are there, very simple to understand. Now we will see potentiometers. You have both linear and angular potentiometers. So it is very simple. Linear potentiometers convert linear motion to change in resistance. Rotational motion potentiometer change angular motion to change in resistance. So linear motion potentiometer you have here like this. See, you have already given a voltage here to the full resistive element. This is the reference point or 0 point. This is the slider or wiper in a potentiometer, you know that, or a rheostat. As you vary this wiper from the reference point, you will get a voltage here. If the displacement is 0, voltage will be 0. If the displacement is more, you will get more voltage. So the voltage is proportional to the displacement. So we can measure displacement here, that is linear displacement. And here you have, this is angular displacement. Same thing, here it is moved in an angular way. You have reference point, fixed point, and movable point. Here you have fixed, say wiper, fixed bar, and say moving wiper. Okay, here the wiper is rotated, not moved. Here same thing. The reference voltage V is applied across the full resistance material. You can see here. Output is taken with the reference point negative here, and with respect to the moving wiper. Here see, the reference voltage is applied across the whole length of the resistance wire or resistance element. One point, say zero or positive is taken as a reference point, and the moving wiper is the output is taken between the reference and the moving point, moving wiper or moving slider. So they can be used to measure all these things. So this is resistive transducer.